Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about the ways to download IMO on laptop and login. In order to download IMO on laptop and login, you need to follow the simple steps. So first thing first, open up a browser. Then on the web address bar, type in imo.im. This is going to take you to the official page. So here you could go and press on download for Windows. Download it. You want to go ahead and set it up. So you just have to follow the instructions to set that up. So next thing you want to do is double click on the logo and click on the OK button. Now you have to go ahead and run the installation, so make sure to accept all of the terms and conditions as well. Once it is completely set up, then you could go ahead and create your account. And likewise, if you already have an account, then you could log in with your credential. Now in my case, I do not have an account, so I have to go ahead and create one. So here you could see I need to go ahead and register using my phone number. So do the same procedure and you'll be logged into your account. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.